Good afternoon and welcome to our live trial analysis on the Law and Crime Network. As you know, I'm Linda Kenny Bott, and I will be with you for the next 2 hours, and we'll continue our coverage. Now, we are in the peach state with a peach of a trial. You know where it is, Georgia, where the state's key witness in the Young Thug trial is back on the stand as testimony has resumed following a near 2-month long hiatus in the Young Thug racketeering trial. Rapper Jeffrey Williams, you better know him, better known as Young Thug, and you may forget them. There's 5 co-defendants standing trial accused of violating Georgia's Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, also known as RICO. Now, Young Thug, he is also accused of participating in a criminal street gang known as YSL, which stands, according to the prosecution, for Young Slime Life. The state says YSL is a gang. The defense, however, argues that YSL is nothing more than the name of the rapper's record label. So back on the stand is the state's star witness, still under direct examination, although it's hard to tell. You'll watch and you'll see. It's YSL affiliate, Kenneth Lil Woody Copeland. So without further ado, let's get you back into that courtroom and listen to his most entertaining testimony.
Now, back in 2015, on this same night in Club Crucial.
I didn't hear your date.
On the same Monday night at Club Crucial, did you see Nard? Did you speak to Nard and Thug while y'all were on the side street?
No.
Okay. Isn't it true that you told him that you spoke to Nard and Thug while y'all were on the side street?
I don't recall nothing I told to the police, but I know it is a long way from the truth.
Okay. And that either Nard or Thug said that they were waiting for Buddy J.
Who is that?
Who's Buddy J?
Yeah, I mean, I don't recall nothing I said to the police.
Okay. Isn't it true that you said that you heard a gun cock back from inside their vehicle?
Told you, I'm gonna tell the police anything, get them out for me. I'm not about to tell them what I done done.
Okay. And that the person that you heard with the gun was Nard?
Just a lie. I don't recall.
Okay. Did you hear Nard with a gun?
Huh?
Did you see Nard with a gun in the car?
I didn't see Nard that night.
Okay. So you do know who Nard is?
No, that's what I'm telling you. I didn't see Nard that night. You keep asking me about Nard. I don't.
How then can you say you didn't see Nard that night if you don't know who Nard is?
Because it's nothing. Just, no, hold on. You got me talking fast because you frustrating me again. I don't know Nard personally, but I know who Nard is. I didn't see Nard in the car with no gun. Like I said, they jumped on me. I had a knot, and I was mad, and I was going to get my get back. I did not leave I left by myself with the people that was in the car with me. And no, you do not need to know who was in the car with me.
Was your brother one of the people in the car with you?
No, my brother, I don't know where he was.
Okay. Why did you tell the detective that your brother was in the car with you?
Because I went for to tell them what I was on.
Did you also, in this same June interview, also tell Detective Gaither and Dennis again about meeting up with Kel at the Cascade skating ring?
I don't recall no lies I told to the investigators that I done told them.
Would this now be, again, at least the third time that you told detectives about this Cascade skating ring incident with you and Kel?
I don't recall.
Again, did you also in this same interview tell the detectives about the gambling house shooting?
Man, listen, I sit there tell the whole board. I don't remember nothing I said to them. They sat right there and listened to all the stories I had to tell, and I'm telling them, I'll say whatever to let me out of jail. They go for it or they don't. And guess what? They sat right there, let me talk and make up all this stuff about these people. And, you know, that just was it. I don't recall nothing I said specific. But I know that I think I said that if I did in one of the interrogation, I'd say anything if y'all let me go. I'd do anything if y'all let me go. That's my motive.
Isn't it true regarding the gambling house shooting? You gave a little more detail during this interview.
I'm gonna give details if I'm a victim.
Okay. Isn't it true that you told them, you know, I kept closing my eyes, but they were shooting behind us and the wall was blocking us. They blocking off the van. It hit through the car, every car in the parking lot. After that, everyone happened to get up. There was kids. There were 4 little boys. They seen Thug and wanted to ride. The little kids, we were looking in the bushes, making sure no one was lying in the bushes. They called the police and stuff. Everyone was wondering where Thug had went, but Thug had already left by the time the police came.
See, even you fell for it. See, you take the little bit of truth that I tell and put it with it. Man, it's how they do, but like you said, the details of it that really took place. But you trying to put that with all the fairy tales that I made up.
So what part took place? The actual shooting at the gambling house?
The shooting, I don't know. I didn't never see somebody shooting at us. But if the police question me, I'm trying to convince them that I know what I'm talking about. So it's easy to say shell kill. It's easy to put people's name with crime that, because if he did it, why y'all don't lock him up? If I say I seen him do it, why y'all don't lock him up and charge you for it? So I don't know what or who did what. I just know that I'm trying to convince that these police that I know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm so sorry. She frustrated me. You ready? Okay, you listen? All right, I'm trying to convince the police that I know what I'm talking about. And the only way I could do that is telling them something that I know that they know. They know that this gambling house got shot up. So if I tell them this gambling house got shot up and these people did it, they'll go for all the other, all for it.
You good? You good?
She said, yeah.
All right. Now, earlier I asked you what studio that you go to. Do you recall telling the detectives that the studio that you go to was the one on Northside Drive? It's Metropolitan in the Lofts. Do you recall that being the studio that you would go to?
I don't think I ever been to the studio on Metropolitan. I don't recall going to.
Back in June of 2015, did you believe that Thug turned everyone against you?
Huh?
Back in June of 2015, did you believe that Thug had turned everyone against you?
That's why I would tell the police anything to get them off me. If y'all watch me like y'all was, y'all would see that nothing ain't changed but the lies I told the police.
So my question is, in June of 2015, did you believe Thug was trying to get everyone to turn against you?
What do he need to do that for?
Okay. Isn't it true that you told the detectives that Thug turned everyone against me?
It's true that I tell the investigators anything that they want to hear. They want to hear about Thug, so I'm about to sit right here and gas them up. I'm about to sit right here and say he killed 19 people, all type of stuff. I'm about to sit right here and make him look like the worst person on the earth so that they can believe and let me go.
And at no point in any of these interviews did you ever tell the police that Thug killed Nut, did you?
Shit, did I?
At any point, did you ever tell any police, if you wanted to make him look so bad, at any point, did you ever tell the police that Thug killed Nut?
I can't say what I told him. I can't remember because you trying to trap me up. I can't remember if I told them that he did it. I don't.
Isn't it true?
I know I was going to get it off of me.
Okay. Isn't it true that what you told the detectives, which is what Demekion told you, was that it was Shannon, Nard, Yak, and Doo-Wop?
I don't recall what I told.
Sustain.
Okay. Isn't it true that you only told the detectives what D told you?
I don't recall what I told them. I thought that D was going to back up my story, so I was trying to throw the blame on D to get it off of me.
Okay. And isn't it true that D only told you that the people who shot the shot were Nard, Shannon, Yak, and Doo-Wop?
Objection has been answered.
Overruled.
What's going on?
I'll repeat the question. Isn't it true that D only told you that it was Nard, Shannon, Yak, and Doo-Wop?
Like I told you in that back room back there, D never told me none of that. I made it up.
All right.
I don't recall.
We need to take a quick break.
Okay.
What's a quick break, ma'am?
What's a quick break? I don't know, maybe 10 minutes.
You said 10
All
minutes?
right, Jordan.
Can I go out?
Yeah, but be back in 10 minutes, okay?
I'm gonna be right there.
All right.
Okay, it's such a great look there when you see the witness walking out. You know, he's got his jacket on. Everyone's standing up as if like he's like, yes, Your Honor. But let me introduce my guest. Alexis Rosenberg is with us, a federal litigator, and of course, trial attorney Wayne Dennison. You saw him in the Johnny Depp case, two of my favorite people. Alexis, let me go to you first. All right. Trials about murder and racketeering should not be entertaining, but I can't help sit here but like laugh and say, what did he say? And I love the new technique about when you're talking to the police, you're not lying, you're just finessing. Talk to me, Alexis.
He is very, very entertaining. I just can't wait to see all the memes that are going to come out with him. I mean, it's almost like he needs a character in a movie. I mean, the technique that he just doesn't recollect anything is great to try to get around that immunity agreement and not be breaching it. So, yeah, I mean, he's entertaining. I can't stop laughing myself. And like you said, it is about a racketeering and about a murder. But and his quick wit where he's turning around and saying, well, are you saying that's what I said? Are you saying that's what happened? I don't know.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. Wayne, all right, now let me talk to you because you've been involved in a high-profile trial. This is a high-profile trial, but this is the state's witness, okay? Tell me, how did he connect young Thug to the most important parts of this case, if at all, or is he just destroying the state's case?
Yeah, I do not understand how this guy could possibly be the state star witness. He didn't connect the defendant to anything, and in fact, pretty much disclaimed any activity by the defendant. This is a case that's gone on for way too long, and I think if I was the prosecution, I would really consider agreeing to the mistrial, and let's try it again.
Yeah, let's try it again. Oh my gosh, that would be an interesting thing if we had Little Woody on another trial on a mistrial. But anyhow, we're going to take a quick break here at the Law and Crime Network. But when we come back, we will bring you more into this entertaining RICO trial. It's like a contradiction in terms, isn't it? But it's very serious still because people on trial, whether they can go to jail for their whole life. Young Thug, Georgia, Peach State, Law and Crime. You can't get any better than that. On the other side, we'll see you.